Welcome students. In this video we're gonna learn how to do exponential differentiation. So let's look at the following function. Y equals e to the 10x times ln of x. So there is a rule for doing differentiating e. So it says that e to the u, so you could be any function or a constant, is equal to if you take the derivative of it, so du is equal to e to the u times du dx. So in this case, for example, we're gonna use the product rule because we're multiplying two functions. So but first let's gather information. So let's say f of x is equal to e 10x. Now the derivative of f of x is equal to 10 times e to the 10x. So what's the derivative of 10x? Is just 10. So that's why I multiply it times that using the previous rule that I showed you. So then we let the other function g of x equals ln of x, and then the derivative of that is equal to 1 over x. Now we put all this information together, so now we have y prime, which is the derivative of what we're looking for, is equal to f of x times g prime of x plus f prime of x times g of x. So we put everything together. F of x is e to the 10x, g prime is equal to 1 over x plus f prime 10 e to the 10x, g of x ln of x. Now we can factor to make it more compact. So we can take out an e to the 10x, so that would be e to the 10x parentheses 1 over x plus 10 ln of x, and that should be our final form. Thank you very much, students.